I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. For just $339,000, you can live on Harbour Drive with direct access to the Gulf of Mexico through Doctors Pass. Harbour Lights is a low-density community that offers moorings bayfront boat slips, making this a boater's paradise. This first floor, one-bedroom, charming residence boasts hurricane impact windows and doors that overlook the large swimming pool. Renovated in 2014, this has granite countertops and is completely move-in ready. This little gem is just as cute as can be. Use this as a guest suite or a getaway home that you'll come back to again and again. Call me for more information on this property or any other listings in the moorings and Park Shore areas.